Welcome to the Ogbonge Politic Discussion Show. As in the heart, on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max for UHF Channel 57 and Wazobia TV for Channel 98 on top of Go TV. We tell you say this program now the program of the people, by the people, and for the people. Sake of say, after we drop them, the way the thing they come up plenty smoke, you self go chook mouth inside to talk them the way the thing be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Samuel has taken concerning political matter as in the heart.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Yes, we don't carry us to the heart come again. Where we go do it, where we go at least they give an update on political activities where they do it, where they happen for our country, Nigeria. Today's matter no go different because we want to try to do now to pick them up from which one of the issues we raised yesterday because now one of the issues we really call for concern and now one other issue is we feel say it appropriate make we as Nigerians put eyes into it and chook our mouth into it so at least we go feel know as we will take a move forward. And my name never say change. My name now Nkubi and this now as it is hot.
We not go waste time. Our Ogbonge visitor will go join us today to talk this topic when they come up plenty smoke. Sake of say as the thing they hot, only us no go use our mouth talk and make it no burn. We carry Ogbonge visitor when we say when he come here the last time, he promise say if we extend the invitation to Ram again, he go carry sharp come sit down with us to follow us discuss. At the talk of business analyst and social commentator, person when we say because of his passion for Nigeria, anytime when they talk hot, he go talk am the way anything be. Oga Jermaine. He named the suite Oga Jermaine. Oga Jermaine, welcome to our city hot.
Thank you. How on a day now? My people open are fine.
Oga Jermaine, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Oga Jermaine, interesting to me say now you be our first Ogbonge visitor for the new year of 2016.
Ah, wonderful.
And we dey very sure say as you don't open the road for our visitors, then we go to come. This year go hot.
Yeah.
I mean, you collect handshake.
We don't need to come and say, come and break and down for you. Say, start the program because already you don't sit down on this hot seat.
I don't feel the heat now.
Still the same fire level.
Fire. No problem.
Make we no waste time. Make we just go straight into what we discuss today. Our people went there for us. Everybody remember say on the 30th of December, Wednesday 2015, our Ogbonge president, after 7 months when he not there for office, come look say he won't get what people they call presidential media chat. That is to say, he go sit down with news story people. They go ask some questions when they cause a discussion inside Obodo Nigeria, and he go answer. And in the course of answering the question, he get one answer when he can drop. He get to do with the way when they spend money for inside government. Oga president been talk about say 400 million naira. Now in them been talk say it be like say they go just keep him, make him take him use by motor. Make her describe as the thing take happen. He talk say when he first hear say na 400 million naira they won't take buy motor for him. Say put in two hands like this because the thing cost code to catch him. He come talk say he can call the vice president Professor Yemi say make a pinch him whether in the dream or in the awake. He say when Professor Yemi pinch him 2 times he can realize say no be dream say na reality. He can tell them say he no need 400 million naira to buy motor because the one when we say he collect from former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the thing is strong, kakaraka. He even talk say, based on the way when we say he know as motor they be, for the next 10 years, that motor go well. Make we keep that one aside. Come enter inside our National Assembly. Gist been come out. Now premium times, the first been break am exclusive. Say our people, they win there for Senate. Say 4.7 billion. I go call the money again in slow motion. 4.7 billion naira. Now they won't use carry buy exotic cars. Then give us the brand of the cars. Talk about the spec of the cars. Motorway gets intelligence, full option and everything like that. But plenty Nigerians don't come and talk say, in this age and time, when we say our pockets lean, when we say our bank account need life support, why people go to spend this kind of money? Some other people they talk say, the executive get their own, the legislature get their own. Say those who we vote for to represent of a legislature, all the things where they follow the office, all the good things, make them get them. Our Ogbonge visitor go chook for inside the matter. But before I try and go give her, I go try and go give Nkubi still say, Nkubi, where lies the change? Why you did not use laugh? Cover. Oga Jermaine, see.
Where lies the change?
And now you go answer them.
The main symbol of change na Oga Muhammadu Buhari.
You see, if not be said because say Sunday na 2 days ago, I would have called him a liar.
The primary symbol of change in this case na Oga Muhammadu Buhari.
What about the Senate president?
We they look up to.
What about the Senate president? What about the speaker?
Now you go move that change vehicle. So that once they move from Nigerians and our leaders go begin to see say, okay, this is the man of trust. This is the man we feel say yes, that change they reflect in Chukwudi. Just relax.
Relax. When people won't carry 4.7 billion, you say we can relax. When people won't carry 4.7 billion and buy motor.
Waiting on God president.
Nigerians, can you see?
Waiting on God president tell us.
What did he tell us?
Through his spokesperson, he talks to look. As the matter they go, he will try and give Nigerians. So that Nigerians go take their own side. They react, they talk about that. Say make them know as they go. So if you know good, they will come and talk say, we don't like this one.
Okay, Jamie, before I try and give you, make I let Nkubi know something. On December 17th, before this our senators them go holiday, Christmas and New Year, I hope say you know say they don't begin the bid process for people to carry motor come. And when they go resume for this January, that car go down there. So this is when they come here, they talk say, okay, president go try and go give them. Who could be? Where lies the change?
Why are you attacking me at this point in time? You are attacking me as if na me assign or sign the budget where they approve. We say make part of the budget now the money. The
majority of the people won't do that thing. Which party then?
You are talking the same majority.
Who preach change? Who preach change?
Has anyone from your own end? Has anyone from your end come out for the house talk say they don't want motor?
Who be the majority for there?
This is not
who
about majority.
Things for there?
This is not about majority. These are leaders when they represent Nigeria at large.
It's
very clear.
No,
it's
no longer an APC on this subject when they talk about it. It is no longer an APC PDP matter.
National issue.
This is not a national issue because people when make up the house when they talk about they are all PDP and APC. When we don't see anybody from the opposition come and talk say, look, we no go want that car. Let us address this as Nigerians rather than as political. Mind yourself. Mind yourself.
Oga Jame, I beg. Now the passion when we say they my mind. Now make me talk like this.
Now me no get the passion.
Make we try and give her.
No, we don't say go try and give her before you can attack me.
Make we try. I know attack. I ask you a question. Where lies the change?
What was your intention for asking me that question?
Okay, Oga Jame, over to you. Now, with the level when the condition where Nigeria dey now, say we dey complain say we no get money, we no get this and that. For people when they represent us to talk say for their own comfort and the fact say that they represent the people, if they look them, they be symbol of say that we voted and they represent us. They won't go carry this amount buy motor. And we know the party where we say that there plenty parts for inside that place.
Chukwudi,
what you go talk about this? Don't ask me any question. Oga Jame go talk first. Don't ask me any question. Don't ask me any question.
From the same spirit has the previous government not be the same track where they follow. No. So
where the change dey?
This is what I'm trying to drive at.
He will.
I'm trying to drive at.
You cannot drive at anything. You are not driving. You are trekking. You are not driving. You are trekking. You are not driving. You are trekking. Don't tell me you are driving anywhere. Oga Jame, answer this question. I will fire you today.
Don't point at me telling me you fire me. Don't point at me telling me.
I said I fire now. Now hot seat with this. You see, what I realize, between where I realize they say, this thing na very, very funny matter. Because if person go say na wrong thing, so people go shout, person go say na right thing. Person go shout. But the thing be say, in this time for Nigeria situation, whereby we get economic hardship, the price of crude oil they go down. People they suffer. So people never get their salary paid. Things be like say things they go worse for the nation. And Shana, now we suppose they make this kind of extravagant spending. Now the question be that. Now they don't give them money as a location to the National Assembly. Now they are right to get that money. But at times, what Nigerians go talk to be say is Shana the change where we ask for.
Thank you.
The person will promise us change. President Buhari, he don't they lead by example, and that's why I commend, I show a salute for Mr. President out there. We say, but the fact now we say you feel be angel, but may you surround
yourself with
you understand? But the fact we say, even though he get good intention and he don't lead by example. Say he no go take that 400 million. Which kind cash that car go the fly? Which car can go buy for 400 million?
Now ask him.
So if they don't show by example now, the PRB say make the other legislatures may they look themselves, may they look inside and talk say may they change.
Other legislators. Now that same angle I want to bring on. To me, I just feel say it never really occur to our legislators say the state where the country they right now, not the state where they did before we say they get enough money from the sale of oil. Right now, the sale of oil don't drop drastically. When me and you know. But right about now, people never occur to them say, look, it is no longer that period that they spend money anyhow. Say things don't change right about now. And apart from that, we still get a situation where we say, okay, right now about now, governors don't they come out to call the voice and say, look, minimum wage matter, they don't go pay.
Exactly.
But yet, we still see people when they demand for high cost of vehicles, overweighting. If Mr. President, when they try to lead by example, don't look himself finish, okay, I don't want this motor. You say not to say it's appropriate for the legislator or our senators to also abide by what our president talk say, okay, since you say no one, we don't want this amount of money to be spent on you. Okay, make we full out. Rather than imposing that particular thing on him.
You know the good thing about Mr. President, we say him be man where they follow the law.
Thank you.
The rule of law.
Thank you.
Now, the fact we say Mr. President no fee intervene for waiting concern the National Assembly people.
Thank you. Thank you.
If he intervene, it go cause wahala for him. You understand? So the thing we say, he go just try and advise. He go tell them, say, this now waiting to happen. May they look well. And you know these people, they are the elected officials. No be even him supposed they complain about this thing. Now we will elect these people. They suppose they do investigative journalism. We go to look all the bad things what they do. We go to follow them for internet. We go to follow them for their constituency. We go to follow them close marking. Because people, they don't say they change. It's easy to change. You understand? So the fact that we at Nigeria, we're supposed to take responsibility. You see, people talk say, now we deserve the leader we get. You understand? Thank God say we don't get President Muhammad Buhari, but the fact be saying now, the people who did the National Assembly, we need to give them close marking. You understand? Very close marking.
Okay. See, this matter, they very, very simple. You see, this is when we could be coming here, they do, they blow, say, Nigerians, make we talk. You see, this is very, very clear. The hallmark of every democracy now, popular and majority rule. If we be 10, these people be 11. So long as say na simple majority, 11 go always win 10. True or false?
True.
If political party talk say, we dey preach change, if we enter office, see so thing wey we go do, and then they in control. And all of a sudden, we come see say the same thing, all the things we una condemn for 16 years, it come like the same thing we dey put. You cannot come here and be telling Nigerians. Say, you go the ratio, who you the ratio that for? They tell Nigerians say, listen, we must talk about that. Where we go start from? Remove the broom when they sign your eye. Before you come and say, I want to remove
they talk say, now who don't like better thing. You understand? Everybody be like say they like better. Everybody want chop.
Thank you. You see, they want chop. They want chop. You people are a chop.
But the fact we say they promise change. They need to deliver that change.
Thank you.
Not be say when you people they do you bad thing, you go to shout. Now when you do bad thing now, if people shout, you go complain. The fact we say that transparency, and I like Mr. President only by example. And if this one, as you talk, say they already start the bidding process.
They don't.
Say by January, they don't get the car already. They need to fight this thing.
May I bring out from this?
I need to not fight the next one. May they tackle them.
You know, society where we say Nigeria, where we say it is made up of people from different ethnic groups.
Yes.
You understand? And we get different representatives. It just like say our system they normally try blend with person where they represent us. Until say, okay, they represent us, make it go. We don't want to know what they do. You understand? How then lies that transparency, or whether lies that our own responsibility as people where they govern to say, okay, make we ask questions. Because for me,
the question when they ask like this, what did the leadership of the house, when the APC go do to help us?
They don't do.
It is
our responsibility as Nigerians to balance the thing. We not say we don't elect people. And these people we elect, they are not gods. You understand?
They are human beings.
And
they want to drive the big motor.
They don't deviate from what they promised Nigeria. So for us to be able to balance it, it is our own responsibility as Nigerians.
Exactly.
When they promise us when they promise us
to get ginger to ask questions. Where do we find that balance?
Now,
That be the question.
they promise us things.
No, they take
And we
responsibility
talk
pass out with me.
they
Mind yourself.
never-
Mind yourself.
No, they want me with two hands. No, they want me with two hands. No, they want me with two hands. No, they want me with two hands.
Kobe in 2019.
Jamin, right on.
Hey, well, you make good point. And a fact, but the fact we say we need to put them accountable. Now the thing be that.
But how?
Now we gonna go there and ask questions now. Because many
When the
Nigerians,
spirit of us will go there.
No, we
If somebody like me now
they're
say,
not too
okay,
busy other things.
If somebody like me
This
talk say,
politics
I need
thing,
to
eh?
act my representative,
Yes.
so they represent my constituency. So, okay, make somehow we really don't enter for this system.
Yes,
Make
now.
I can't call everybody where they are around starting constituency. Make we march go this person's office, or make we listen. I just say, we just feel it, make we live on the feel it, can I help you?
No, you see that attitude will make Nigeria become like
that
this.
is why- where do we
not
find
to do
that
them
balance?
again. We suppose they go their meetings and the fact me say if we talk say these people no promise, they don't deliver the change with they promise. We ourselves we need to get into that change process. If na PDP you won't join, if na APC you won't join, if na ABBA, whatever party you won't join, you go there as the voice of new change and say that all this is what you promise, so you must deliver. And this huge action, we have to be there. Because if the thing they pay us and they enjoy, they live lavish life, no be their fault now. They give them money, they use their right. If they give you your right, you go refuse them. Now the fact that I say maybe they play conscientious politics now, maybe they empathic with the needs of Nigeria, because money no day. They talk say money no day, and then they do loud spending up and down the place. People go they vex, say how you
Yes.
go, how you waiting on top?
Thank you very much.
We will
Thank
get
you
the bottom
very
they
much.
suffer.
Yes.
No, we have to change. The rich, they will also cry in this matter. They need to suffer the way Nigeria they suffer. So they go no say for that assembly where they did, for that Senate where they did, they go they pass policy, they go they pass laws.
we go cut across every Nigeria.
Because if the thing no affect them, they enjoy it.
No,
They don't go know how
I'm
to
talking like in Nigeria.
how the thing go be.
Chukwudi, please.
Oga Jamin,
Please,
yes.
hold on.
Make I bring another angle.
Don't
to
bring
this
any angle.
discussion. I will bring
Oga
the
Jamin,
angle.
Please.
Uh-huh.
You are the guest. You're a respected guest on this program.
Thank
At
you.
least the first time we call respect you.
Thank you.
Please, I won't make you take that your smile. And these your glasses. We say they were tilted. We go bone this man for me. One now.
Man, they look
Make
at.
if I talk, make they point me out. They point me out. They do me like this. They do me like this.
Yeah.
You see me. No, you see me. No, they do me like this for
I
all this
will
program.
even for you. Now
I
after,
remember remote time. No, they do me like this.
Nkubi,
I don't want you.
Now after 7 months, now you don't realize, say, all of us as Nigerians, now we supposed to come out, they talk as Nigerians. When some people been there, look, say, hey, this political party, when some of them, now there, they do feed us. Before they come cross over, say this party na party of people who no go heaven.
We get the intention say these people are they don't turn born again.
Which born again they don't turn?
We have the intention say they don't
born
turn
again they don't turn?
Politics is politics.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's politics. Okay.
Yeah, politics is
Oga Jamin,
politics. No matter your party.
Oga Jamin, make I even bring her from this angle now. Some people don't look say, okay, even Oga President, they wonder, say, where these people they see this money from? Some don't talk, now 2 projections. They talk, say, number 1, say, supplementary budget. Say, then jack them up by, they add like 109 billion. Because of, say, they talk, say, subsidy money for the last quarter. Say, Oga President don't include them, they come add them. Some other people don't talk, say, it be like saying, severance package for the former aides of the legislative aides. Now, in this money be. Make I ask this question. If na severance package, how people when they government before or when they government now go say because of say they serve us, they know they serve again. They come up severance package now wetin you dey pay yourself like pension.
As you go, yeah.
You go dey pay yourself money when they reach that kind of amount. That one na one. Number 2, if na say they add am as supplementary, they add am say
Budget.
subsidy money. It means say 419, make I no use 419. Monkey hand don dey enter inside this arrangement because e just be like say they just look say okay, make the president do his own because of separation of powers. Executive get their own, legislative get their own, judiciary do their own. They call they do their own. And to imagine say some senators don already dey come and dey talk say,
say the president no
say
fit dictate
Oga
for am.
President, he know
Wetin go happen?
make
Say na
him dey
make him
him own
mind your own
lane,
business.
make him park well, make him dey their own lane. Who could be? I will still ask you. Will not escape this question. I will. You see, I don't catch you today.
Listen.
Don't tell me to listen. Don't tell me to listen. Answer my question. Where lies the change?
As they mention those senators,
Where lies
hold
the
on, as they
change?
mention those senators, they say, where they misyan. I mean, no, sorry, not be the word misyan, but when they talk anyhow, say, Oga President make him mind your own business. It is a mission I help you re-echo the
No help me
senator.
re-echo anything. Who could be? Where lies the change? Now you don't know. Say you dey speak for Nigerians. You dey.
No. I have always been speaking for Nigerians.
Una blame am for Ramadan. Chicken escape. They blame former president. Everything wey happen, they blame former president. Who could be? People they use for. They say American spec, full option, auto.
Talking about that car now, see, Think I'm like this.
And the verse, so-
and these people, they need to be. They suppose they use strategy. How they go do this kind of spending. Think let's say they won't spend that kind of money on top car. And they carry that money.
Just car alone, no?
Yes, just car
Car
alone.
alone.
They're not about other things.
Okay, make
now,
I never even break
the high specs, all those cars that they won't buy. I'm just saying now for but don't you they go carry that car come. They go import them.
Yes.
And that money be that. Imagine if they take that money, go give person where they do car, like Innocy Motors.
For this star country.
Now who go complain? No one will complain.
Nobody
now.
go complain.
They go even say that money they benefit people for the economy for the society.
Okay,
Yes.
make you just relax.
We go just rush enter inside market small.
Because I know give this guy
When we
any
go
room
this market,
to talk
come back.
any to me.
We'll continue our discussion.
You.
Now you need this market
You.
because you are under pressure.
No,
already.
now you come for the market.
Today, what you want that
No,
they
they
push
point
me?
me. No, they point me hand.
What you want that they
No, they
push
point
me?
me hand. No, they point me hand.
If I point you, what you go do?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.